did record.
Here, Valerie.
Yep.
You take over. Get some up close over there.
Okay.
Spoiled dog getting style.
Yeah, I just wanted to. I always just get afraid because what happened to my kitty cat when I was little.
Yes, we all relived that pretty good.
Hey, that traumatized me, man.
Apparently.
Oh, yeah. Please don't go pee on me. No, when I eat, they say we'll make us.
Okay, good. Wow, look how cute she looks. What are you gonna do?
Uh-oh, she's getting scared. The pipe should just get another towel, like a clean towel, huh? That's dry. Do you want to grab one, Chris?
Hey, Dad, you want me to stop it? Okay, it's on record.
Get her face. Get her on this way. Yeah, she doesn't like that.
I got her butt.